guys, today I will show you how to transfer money from your wallet to another wallet. Just go to Ooredoo Money, then sign in. After that, we'll go to local transfer. So this QNB is for QNB users, and then we'll have to tap Ooredoo Mobile Wallet. Send to, add new, then mobile number 3653516. So Ooredoo number also. Then amount. Double check the number 33653516. For example, 10 reals. Then go. Then next. So there is a charge of QR2. And then we have to confirm the transaction. So it's successful. Then you have to press go home. And then you will receive a message stating that you already sent amount to this number, mobile number. That is the new balance also. So that's it only for today, guys. Hope I helped you a little. And then see you on the next video.